Continuing education is essential for healthcare professionals. Here's how to earn and track your continuing education credits efficiently. Step 1. Find accredited continuing education courses. Check your state and professional board's requirements to ensure your continuing education credits will count. Look for courses that are evidence-based, up-to-date, and relevant to your field. Step 2. Complete courses at your own pace. Self-paced learning allows you to study when it's convenient for you, whether at home between shifts or on the go. NetCE offers online courses that fit your schedule. Step 3. Earn online CE credit. All NetCE courses are free to access. Only pay when you're ready to earn CE credit for your license renewal. Once you finish your course, you'll receive an instant certificate as proof of completion. Be sure to save it for your records. Plus, in select states, NetCE report hourly to CE broker for free. No membership required. Step 4. Track and report your CE credits. Keeping accurate records ensures you meet renewal deadlines. Many licensing boards require direct reporting. Check if your provider submits credits for you, or if you need to do it yourself. Remember these few tips to set yourself up for success in earning and tracking continuing education credits. Keep a digital or printed copy of your certificates. Set reminders for renewal deadlines. Verify CE requirements regularly, as they may change. By staying organized, you can meet your CE requirements stress-free and stay current in your profession. Meet your continuing education needs today at netce.com.